In today's video, I'll be solving the exercises from Class 9 English, Unit 7, Ecology and Environment, specifically reading I on the topic of how do animals spend the winter? We'll go through each question and provide detailed answers to ensure you understand the material and can complete similar assignments with confidence. So, let's get started. A. Find the words from the text that have the following meanings. A. Shop that sells food and other things used in homes, grocery. B. Related to the regions around the North Pole, Arctic Tern. C. An underground passage, tunnel. D. To find the right way to deal with a difficult situation, navigate. E. A person who works on a ship as a member of the crew, sailor. F. To change behavior in order to deal more successfully with a new situation, adapt. G. A very small green or yellow plant that spreads over wet surfaces, rocks, trees, etc., moss. H. To gather closely together, usually because of cold or fear, huddle. B. Read the paragraphs A and match them to the suitable titles. Ans. Paragraphs titles. A. Going into a deep sleep. B. Migration to new places. C. Other ways to survive. D. Living in underground holes. E. Adaptation to new weather. C. Write true or false against the following statements. A. Animals wear thick coats to protect themselves from the cold. False. B. Flying in flocks helps birds protect themselves from the cold. True. C. Birds do not travel far to avoid the cold. True. D. Some animals collect extra food for winter. True. E. Snow fleas hibernate in winter. False. F. Cold water makes it difficult for some animals to breathe. False. D. Answer the following questions. A. Why do birds migrate in groups? Ans. Birds migrate in groups to protect themselves from cold. B. What controls the migration cycle of birds? Ans. The migration cycle of birds is controlled by daylight and the weather. C. How do birds find the same place for migration each year? Ans. Birds seem to have a compass in their brain for using Earth's magnetic field, and because of this, they can find out the same place each year. D. Why do you think squirrels and mice huddle close together in winter? Ans. Squirrels and mice huddle close together in winter in order to keep their body warm. E. How do animals maintain energy during hibernation? Ans. During hibernation, the animal's body temperature drops and the heartbeat and breathing slow down, maintaining the energy level down. F. How do frogs, turtles and fish change their habitats to survive in winter? Ans. Frogs, turtles and fish hide under rocks, logs or fallen leaves, or they can bury themselves in mud to survive in winter. E. What do people do to avoid cold weather? Talk to your friends. Ans. People normally dress in layers, with a wind-resistant outer layer. Wear several layers of loose-fitting, lightweight, warm clothing rather than one layer of heavy clothing. The outer garments should be tightly woven and water-repellent. Wear mittens, which are warmer than gloves. Wear a hat. When it is cold, wear a hat, mittens or insulated gloves. Keep your face warm with a scarf, neck tube or face mask. Wear warm and waterproof footwear. When it is very cold, or when the wind chill is significant, cover as much exposed skin as possible. Your body's extremities, such as the ears, nose, fingers and toes, lose heat the fastest. F. Write similar paragraphs on the following topics in about 100 words. A. Deforestation. B. Endangered animals. A. Deforestation. Uns, we live in a country where the temperatures are comparatively higher. In rainfall, trees take care of the water cycle. They initiate precipitation and cloud formation. Trees can also be beneficial in case of flood protection. The mangrove of Sundarbans protects the area from devastating floods. Flood still occurs in these areas regularly, but the impact is controlled due to the mangroves. If we keep cutting down trees haphazardly and randomly, the soil structure will see massive changes. Soil erosion is an authentic problem. It degrades the quality of soil that is being used by the farmers for agriculture. Trees provide fresh oxygen to the people. Trees are also the shelter for various birds and animals. Most nocturnal birds and migratory birds find their homes in the trees. The effects of deforestation have made millions of birds close their habitat. B. Endangered animals. Uns, there are many endangered animals in this world. The first and foremost is the tiger. According to conservationists, the number of tigers all over the world is declining at an alarming rate. The main reason for this is poaching. Chinese traditional medicine has thrown up a huge market for poachers of the tiger. But if the tiger becomes extinct, the entire food chain will be thrown into disarray. Other animals which are facing extinction owing to various factors like poaching and loss of habitat include the giant panda, the snow leopard, the white rhinoceros and the Komodo dragon, tapirs, the leopard, African wild ass, gazelles, etc. Leopards as well as tigers are affected by the loss of habitat when forests are used for human activities. Wild asses are threatened by interbreeding with other species. Gazelles are poached for their skin and horns. Endangered animals need to be protected to preserve the biodiversity of our planet. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for exclusive information and content. Thank you very much and see you again.